Pretty sad. Not going to go too political here, but we got trails groomed. We've got the tubing trail right here. Just about all finished up. Got it all bermed up here. That's up to about a story and a half, 2 stories now. Come down and stacked with a skid steer, and then stack some more, shoveling and shoveling and shoveling. Just to give you a little reference for height. Love my pretty hairdo. I filled the door in and come and cut it out. Come on, you guys. May have to make it a little taller yet. Hello, mud. There you have it. Can't wait for the party. Dogs are ditching me. Thanks for watching, you guys. I guess the next one will be when we have a party. White man's igloo. Well, let me know what you think.